Sairam, hope that the students and the parents, all the families are keeping well during this pandemic situation. Now, we are supposed to have an orientation classes offline directly, but during this pandemic situation, it made me to speak to you online. Every year we used to conduct offline classes, but this time we cannot do it. Now, my teachers last academic year, though it's new for us, my teachers worked hard. They are given the best possible, and parents also cooperated very nicely. Thank you for the cooperation of the parents. And this academic year, we have trained very nicely. Our staff is well equipped to meet the situation, and definitely we will give you the best whatever possible online. And if the situation okay, if everything is okay, when the government gives us the permission to open the institutions, our hearts are open to welcome all the students in the campus. We wish you all the best for the next academic year. Thank you, Sairam.
Wish you a good day. I would like to quote Lord Waters. The school is a building with 4 walls and tomorrow inside. I am Uma Praveen. It's my honor and pleasure to introduce myself as the principal of CBSE Secondary School. Come on students, let me take you through the facilities of Vedavyasa Park.
The classroom is an important space at a school. This is center of learning. Atmosphere in our classroom are designed to kindle the thought process of our students. Library. Librarian plays a fundamental role as a gateway of knowledge and culture. The collection of books in our library offers opportunity for learning, shaping new ideas that brings in creativity and innovation. Welcome to our Multimedia Computer Lab. The lab is well designed to make our student tech survive and to be ready for the future. Science Lab. The true method of knowledge is experiment. Hands-on experiments bring up better understanding of the concept. To facilitate the same, our school lab has fully equipped science laboratory.
Hope you all enjoyed the virtual tour. Now it's time to introduce my team of teachers to you.
Don't wait for an opportunity, create it. Hi, welcome to the New Baldwin Group of Institutions. The NPGI provides quality and value-based education to nearly 10,000 students. The New Baldwin International Residential School has opened its door to students from all over the world. The structure of our education program helps students to develop confidence and to become reflective learners, to be creative, innovative, and fully equipped for future opportunities and challenges, to develop as responsible individual who enjoys a healthy, active, and balanced lifestyle, to be engaged citizens, contribute to the community, and address global challenges. We also would like to inform you that we will be having virtual orientation program for students to introduce class teachers, coordinators, subject teachers before the virtual class starts. Parents will be receiving an orientation welcome kit which include grade-wise subject details, class and homework timetable, uniform timetable, tentative timetable, online etiquettes, and activity timetable. Thank you.
Greetings, my dear parents and my dear students. I hope you all are safe. The vision of New Baldwin International School, Mando, is to be the foundational gateway for the next generation leaders, thinkers, creators who believe in self-confidence and have a sense of purpose. The light of pandemic has changed the dynamics of schooling, but my dear parents, my team has been working throughout and doing their best for the betterment of students.
My dear students and parents, welcome to the new academic year 2021 and 22.